Hi everyone, Ana Paul Hurtado here. In this video, we are going to talk about custom formatted strings in Power BI. Stay tuned! I'm just going to lay the foundations. When we load data into Power BI, the tool converts the values in a column into data types that better supports an efficient storage, calculation, and data visualization. We can also modify a column's data type, but we need to be mindful that down the road that can affect the data analysis expression functions that we are going to write. So it is both important and useful to get the correct data type for a column. If you want to learn more about data types, go to Microsoft.com. Next, I'm going to show you how to custom data type streams in Power BI Desktop. We want our reports to be readable, and by applying custom formatting stream, we can ensure our report looks just the way we want them to look. For example, I have this table in my report and I want to format the second column. If it is a negative number, I want to put parentheses around it, but if it is a 0, I just want my report to display 0. How do we handle that? With custom formatting strings. Let's go first to Microsoft.com. So first, remember that in the web we have how to guides, and right now we are in this section, how to display custom formatting strings. I'm gonna focus on this section, and every section is delimited by a semicolon. So let me show you how to handle that in Power BI Desktop. So we are here in the report view. Let's move to the model view. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna select the field, then expand the property pane. And you see the section for formatting? We're gonna, under format, we're gonna select custom. Power BI already identified the first section, right? At the beginning, just type the symbol for number and apply comma and just hit here. BI already applied this step. Let's go back to the report view to see. And now it's readable. I have the comma delimiter and the 2 decimals. Now let's handle the negative number. Let's go back here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy this. We're gonna add the delimiter, semicolon, and we're gonna open parentheses, paste this value, close parentheses, and hit. So now we have 2 sections. Let's see how this is applying. So now success, we have for negative value we have parentheses. Now let's see how we can modify zeros. So let's go here, apply the third section, semicolon, and just add 0. Now we have the 3 sections. Let's go to the report view, and that's it. We applied custom formatting strings. If you have any questions, comments, you know what to do. Post them in the comments below. Also, let me know if you liked my video. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next following videos.